Morning, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earthwatch on Wednesday, January 8, 2025. We're going to take a look at our jet streams. I'm going to start off with the southern hemisphere. I'm more concerned about the northern, but let's do the southern first. Now we're going to move up to the northern hemisphere. Under normal circumstances and conditions, our jet streams are more or less zonal, such as, so this pattern right here is zonal. From west to east, more or less a straight line. But when we get over to the Americas, this is what I call snakes and ladders. I have an explanation. I've said this several times. I'm happy to repeat it. Look at this one developing over Caribbean, northern South America. I'm going to back up a couple of days before I continue. That's yesterday, Monday. So on the weekend into Monday, there was a sudden stratospheric warming event started to develop over Kamchatka, which is characterized by a reversal of the jet streams, which compresses the atmosphere colder air down. Now, these sudden stratospheric warming events normally happen here and here, but not this far west. Let's go back one more day. Snakes and ladders. Let's go to current time. So once again, I'm going to switch to Google Earth for a minute. Our geomagnetic excursion. So magnetic north is in this region, heading towards Siberia. Magnetic south is right around here. And as they progress towards each other, north in this direction, south in this direction, converging on the north end of the Indian Ocean, bottom end of the Bay of Bengal region. So increasing the distance between the two poles on the other end. So when you increase the distance between 2 points of a magnet, the magnetic field lines become weaker and weaker and weaker. Resulting in, I believe, excuse me, an influx of cosmic radiation and other radiation coming in, destabilizing and weakening our jet streams. Our jet streams, which of course brings in our weather systems, weather patterns. So, for example, magnetic north is up here right now. It's working its way here. Magnetic south is here, working its way to here. So we have more or less a stable jet streams. So when we go to the opposite end of that magnet, which is over the Americas, let's go another view. So here, a lot more stable and less chaotic than the opposite side of the planet, right here. And this is why you cannot have accurate weather system predictions beyond a couple or a few days. That is all.